Welcome to Globe Tales, where fun and learning comes together. Today, we're going around the world. From A to Z, let's explore some amazing countries, one letter at a time. Ready to travel? Let's go! AI is for Australia, land of kangaroos, coral reefs, and sandy beaches. The Great Barrier Reef is so big, it can be seen from space. B is for Brazil, home to colorful carnivals. The Amazon rainforest is full of life. Look at the giant statue of Christ the Redeemer. It stands high over Rio. C is for Canada. It's full of forests, lakes, mountains, and maple syrup too. You can visit the roaring Niagara Falls. It's a waterfall that never sleeps. D is for Denmark, a land of Vikings and fairy tale castles. There are windmills and cozy houses. Lego bricks were invented here. That's right, the toy loved by kids everywhere. E is for Egypt, the land of pyramids, pharaohs, and the Nile River. Ride a camel past the Great Sphinx. F is for France. Bonjour. Say hello to the Eiffel Tower and croissants. France is known for art, fashion, and delicious food. G is for Germany, a country of castles, forests, and fast cars. It hosts the biggest toy fair in the world. H is for Hungary. Swim in hot springs and ride boats on the Danube River. Budapest glows at night with its beautiful parliament. I is for India. Colorful festivals, spicy food, and the Taj Mahal. India is home to tigers, temples, and trains. J is for Japan. Robots, cherry blossoms, and Mount Fuji. Also famous for sushi and speedy bullet trains. K is for Kenya. Go on a safari to see lions, elephants, and zebras. Watch the sunset over the wide, grassy savannah. L is for Laos, a peaceful land of temples and waterfalls. Ride a boat on the Mekong River and explore caves. M is for Mexico. Tacos, mariachis, and ancient pyramids. Enjoy the colorful Day of the Dead parade. N is for Norway. Watch the northern lights dance across the sky. Sail through long fjords and spot reindeer. O is for Oman. Explore deserts, date palms, and castles. The air smells sweet with frankincense. P is for Peru. Climb the Andes to see Machu Picchu. Llamas live happily in the mountains. Q is for Qatar, a small country with skyscrapers and golden sand. It's sunny almost every day. R is for Russia, the largest country in the world. Snowy forests and colorful palaces await. S is for South Africa, lions, penguins, and Table Mountain. It has 3 capitals and 11 languages. T is for Thailand, golden temples and tropical beaches. Friendly elephants and tasty noodles. U is for United States, from the Statue of Liberty to the Grand Canyon. So many cities, parks, and places to explore. V is for Vietnam. Sail through Ha Long Bay with tall rocky islands. Pho soup and buzzing scooters fill the streets. W is for Wales. Castles, dragons, and green rolling hills. It's part of the United Kingdom. X is for Xi'an, China, an ancient city with a terracotta army. It starts with X and holds deep history. Y is for Yemen, a land of tall towers and spicy smells. Its buildings look like gingerbread houses. Z is for Zambia, home to Victoria Falls, a giant waterfall. Lions roar and elephants roam in the wild. Wow, we just traveled the world from A to Z. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for another amazing adventure with Globe Tales.